English conversation with friends, just listen to the dialogue and repeat with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Every week we bring conversation and stories that will improve your English. Thank you. Let's go. Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you too. It's
How's your day going?
good, thanks. How about yours?
Not too bad. Are you from around here?
No, I'm new to this city. What about you?
I've been here for a while now. Need any help getting around?
That would be great, thanks.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from a small town up north. What about you?
I grew up in the city nearby. What brings you here?
I got a job at a company downtown. What do you do?
I'm a student at the university studying business. What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy reading and hiking. How about you?
I love playing basketball and cooking. Have you found a favorite spot to eat yet?
Not yet, still exploring. Any recommendations?
There's a great Italian place a few blocks away. I can show you sometime if you'd like.
That sounds awesome, thank you.
So, Emma, what made you interested in moving to the city?
Well, I heard a lot about its cultural scene and job opportunities.
That's true. There's always something happening here. What are your hobbies besides reading and hiking?
I love painting and photography. How about you? Any other hobbies?
I enjoy playing the guitar and volunteering at the local shelter. What kind of books do you like to read?
I'm into fiction mostly. Mystery novels are my favourite. What about you?
I'm into biographies and sci-fi. Have you explored much of the city yet?
Not really, just a few places. Any hidden gems I should know about?
There's a beautiful park not many people know about. It's perfect for hiking and picnics.
That sounds lovely. Maybe we could go together sometime.
Absolutely. It would be great to have company. What's your favorite hiking trail so far?
I found this amazing trail up in the hills. The view from the top is breathtaking.
Wow, I'd love to see that. Maybe we could plan a hike there soon.
That sounds perfect. Thanks for being so welcoming, John.
Of course, happy to help. Let's explore this city together. Hey Emma, how was your weekend?
Hi, John. It was good, thanks. I went for a long hike. What about you?
I played basketball with some friends and tried a new recipe. Do you cook often?
Not as much as I'd like to. What did you cook?
I made a homemade pizza. It turned out pretty tasty.
That sounds delicious. I should improve my cooking skills.
I could show you a few easy recipes if you'd like.
That would be amazing. I'm always up for learning something new.
Great. What type of cuisine are you interested in?
I love Italian and Mexican food. How about you?
I enjoy cooking Asian dishes and comfort foods. Have you visited any museums in the city yet?
Not yet. Are there any you recommend?
The art museum downtown is fantastic. They have some incredible exhibits.
I'll check it out. Do you have a favourite artist?
I like Van Gogh's work. What about you?
Monet's paintings have always fascinated me. Do you play any musical instruments?
Besides the guitar, I can play a bit of piano. Do you play any instruments?
Used to play the violin when I was younger. I should pick it up again sometime.
Hi, Emma. How's your week been so far?
Not yet. I might explore more of the city. How about you?
I'm thinking of trying out a new recipe. Maybe make some homemade pasta.
That sounds amazing. I'd love to learn how to make pasta from scratch.
It's a fun process. Do you have a favorite type of pasta?
I like fettuccine Alfredo. What about you?
Spaghetti carbonara is one of my favorites. Have you been to any concerts lately?
Not recently. Do you enjoy going to concerts?
Yeah, I love live music. What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy Indian folk music. How about you?
I'm into rock and jazz. Have you met many new people since moving here?
A few, but I'm still getting to know people. What's your favorite thing about this city?
Probably the diversity and the food scene. Is there anything you miss about your hometown?
I miss the quiet and the slower pace. What about you?
I miss the familiarity and my old friends. Want to grab coffee sometime this week?
Sure, I'd love that. It would be great to catch up more.
It was nice catching up, Emma.
Definitely, John. Thanks for the chat and the company.
Anytime. Let's plan that coffee soon.
Sounds good. And thanks for offering to teach me some cooking tricks.
Of course, I'm looking forward to it. Have a great day.
You too, John. Take care.